Hi everyone, today we'll learn about capitalized function and indentation. So over here you can see another program. At the top as usual is what we're going to learn today. After that the rules and lastly the program. Today we'll be learning about capitalized function and indentation. Then I've written two programs over here. So this one is for capitalize and this second one, which is all commented, is for indentation. So let's start with capitalize. Capitalize function capitalizes the first alphabet of a string. And if the user does not enter a string, it just prints whatever the user entered. So over here in the program, it's saying need capitalizing, and then I'm inputting enter anything. After that, I'm using the capitalize function in a variable called capitalizing it. And then I'm printing it. So when I run this, enter anything, so I can enter 567, and it's printing 567. But then I can say, suppose we are learning, and if I run this, it says, so over here my W was lowercase, but over here it's turned it to uppercase. So this comes in need when you write names, suppose. So if I suppose write Anvita, then it prints, so it returns Anvita with a capital A instead of this lowercase a. And you might be wondering that what happens if I put a bunch of punctuations inside and numbers. So if I suppose put 34 bracket, if I put that, then bracket close. Okay, so over here I've got total gibberish, and if I print this, it's printing exactly what I wrote over here. So 34 bracket with 3 quotes in it, minus equal to minus minus J8. So it has no issue with that. Next we can move on to indentation. So I'll just comment this one. Right. And now I just need to uncomment this program. Right. Indentation. Indentation is when you add spaces to tell the computer that these lines are a block of code. Lines, as I call them, are actually called statements, but we'll learn about that later. So in the program, I've written a variable called guess my name, and I'm asking the user to guess my name in it. Then I'm using an if condition, which you'll learn about later, and checking if guess my name is equal to my name, so Anvita. Then if it is equal to Anvita, I'm printing yay, my name is Anvita. After that, I'm using an else condition. You'll learn about this later too. And I'm telling the user that whatever they entered is not my name. So I've used the format function here, and I'm printing no, my name is not. Suppose they entered Jessica. So no, my name is not Jessica. Good luck next time. So when I run this, right, it's saying guess my name. I can put Anvita. It's saying yay, my name is Anvita. And then if I suppose I can put Jessica. No, my name is not Jessica. Good luck next time. Now, you might be wondering what these spaces are over here. So you can get these spaces by pressing the tab button, like that. And basically, this space marks that this line is supposed to be part of this if condition. So over here, suppose I use the exit function. Exit is another function you'll learn about later. So over here, you can see that I put these two at the same level, putting the same amount of space. So over here, the if condition is up here, and then I've put a tab, which you can also say is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 spaces. That's what tab is. You can just put 4 spaces pressing one button. And suppose if I press tab again, then if I also do tab for this one, then you can see that it's putting a line over here, and it's saying that it's over indented. So these spaces basically mean indentation. So when it says over indented, it's saying reformat the file, and it's just taking it back that way. But then suppose I take it this way, you can see that it's totally thrown an error, because in the if condition there's nothing, as everything indented to inside the if condition is supposed to be part of the if condition. But because there's absolutely nothing in the if condition, it's throwing an error. That's what indentation is. Here are some tips for indentation. Bye!